This video will take you through the process of embroidering a patch. First, download InkStitch by going to InkStitch's website. Click the blue InkStitch Installer button. Select your operating system, then download the latest version. Navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the InkStitch installer, and it installed the file. Do not change the location of installation. Open up Inkscape and select the design you wish to embroider. Go to the top and click Path, then Object to Path. This isn't necessary, but it is recommended. Then select your design, head up to Extensions, then Ink/Stitch should show up. Find the params after hovering over the Ink/Stitch, and a huge menu should come up. This menu will show you how it will be stitched. Feel free to change the settings in this menu to get it exactly how you like it. Once you are happy with the settings, click Apply and Quit. Then File, Save As, and find the file type that says Ink/Stitch, Brother Embroidery Format PES. Do not use PEC. Cut 2 pieces of stabilizer out. Secure those 2 pieces of stabilizer in the plastic frame and tighten it by pulling it through and using the knob at the bottom of it. Reach behind the machine and pull up the foot and slide the frame underneath the needle. Clip the frame into place. Plug your USB into the machine and click the USB button in the bottom right of the screen. Click your design and click Set. You have the option of moving, sizing, rotating, and even reflecting it. Once you are finished, click Edit End. Use the arrows to change where it is positioned, or use the center dot to center the whole thing. There is also a frame button at the bottom to show you where your design will be framed. The machine will show you when and what colors should be placed in the machine. Place the roller string on the peg and roll some of it out. There are numbers on the machine that will show you where the string needs to go. Loop the string through 1, under 2, and around 2. Lift up the foot pedal on the back and go down under 3. 4 is particularly tricky. Look through the machine and loop the string through the metal part. Bring the string down under 5, through the slit in number 6, all the way down by the needle. Then back around the metal around 7. Wrap the string over 8. Cut the thread and pull down 9. Undo the loop now and push the end part back into the machine. When you are ready, click the green button on the machine to start embroidering. When the machine inevitably tells you to change the thread color, lift up the foot pedal and repeat the steps for threading the needle once more. Once the machine has finished, raise the foot pedal, remove the stabilizer paper, and cut out your design.